Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download and install the .NET Framework version 4.8 Runtime on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Microsoft Edge web browser if it's not already open, and you want to go search for .NET Framework 4.8 Runtime. And you could do web installer if you choose to do so. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and go to one of the Microsoft domains here near the top. So go directly from Microsoft.com and select the download.NET Framework 4.8 Runtime and give it a moment here. Once it's done downloading, go ahead and open that up and select yes. You can minimize or close out the web browser at this time. So it's already installed on our computer, so that's why we're not going to be installing it again, but otherwise you just would continue with the installation. So again, pretty straightforward process. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.